Okay, another tab in her settings is cache. You can store the uh, animation and dynamic that you play in here and store it. For example, if I play, you can see a sphere are hitting the hair. And for example, if I come to here and then come back, you can see it does not act well because it's resetting the hair. You can see from here the hair are connecting and then stop and then come back and then you can see the hair are resetting. It's not good because it does not it's calculating from 0 to the end, and if you change your timeline like this, dynamic will be disappear. This is in all in All3D software. Okay, so you have to, if you want to go back and go backward and forward and check your dynamic, you have to cache. If you click cache, it's placed once, and you can see in a memory you have the cached object and dynamic, and you can see the dynamic cache will be checked. It means we cached everything, and you can see you can play, go forward and backward, and the dynamic is playing well because it cached in the memory and you can use it very well. But if you want, you have your cache, but a simple animation not cached, you can again use uncached memory, something like this. This is the checkbox that you can activate your cached papers, cached or disable or enable it. Just in here, you can see the memory. You can compress that to a lower number. You can empty your cache. Let's get on it. Empty your cache. Make sure if you Control Z, if you delete your cache, you cannot load it with Control Z. So another thing is editable. For example, if I come to here and I want to edit some of my hair that are acting not good, you can make it editable. But look at this. If you go to the simulation and one of the tools from brush, look at the memory, boom. If you go to the hair and there are everything is going its position, and you cannot update your frame that cached. So make sure that you are going to the move tool, and you can see we are going to the cache, but we want this moment. So you have to go to the hair and make it editable. In this case, it's fix this frame that you want to edit the specific hair, and you can use the simulation, and it does not go back to initial position. For example, brush. Now you can see you can edit your hair very easily. And don't forget, go to the hair and update frame, and then make it back and go back to your tool. You can see it's this frame edit, and also we have our cache. Nice. So in this case, you can update any frame that you want. You can save this cache. For example, you have a very huge cache, and you can save it and then separately save your cache, and then you can load the cache for a specific hair here. That's very easy. And if you don't need to cache, you can simply empty that again, or then calculate it. Done. It's play your animation once and it's calculate your cache. But don't forget, if you want to save it, compress your cache. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.